हेलो गाइस, मैं युवराज आज आप सबके सामने जी के क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ। जी के भारत चैनल पे आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो चलिए, एंटोमोलॉजी इज द साइंस दैट स्टडीज the origin and history of technical and scientific terms, the formation of rocks, insects, behavior of human beings. Answer is insects. Galileo was an astronomer who developed this telescope, discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter, discovered that the movement of pendulum produces a regular time measurement. All the above. Answer is discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter. Who among the following were contemporaries of Kanishka? A. Kamban, Banavata, Avaghosha. B. Nagarjun, Avaghosha, Vasumitra. C. Ashwaghosha, Kalidas, Banavata. D. Kalidas, Kamban, Vasumitra. Answer is Nagarjun, Ashwaghosha, Vasumitra. The world smallest country is Canada, Russia, Maldives, Vatican City. Answer is Vatican City. Corey Anderson, who has hit the fastest ODI century in 36 balls, is from England, Australia, West Indies, New Zealand. Answer is New Zealand. Novak Djokovic is a famous player associated with the game of hockey, football, chess, lawn tennis. Answer is lawn tennis. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? Fort William, Fort St. George, Fort St. David, Fort St. Angelo. Answer is Fort St. George. What is the second largest country in size in the world? Canada, USA, China, Russia. Answer is Canada. Which language is spoken in Karnataka? Marathi, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada. Answer is Kannada. The state which has the largest number of sugar mills in India is Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Uttar Pradesh, UP. Where is Bose Institute? Dispur, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Answer is Kolkata. When is the International Yoga Day celebrated? June 21, March 21, April 22, May 31. Answer is June 21. The 2-day festival Northeast Calling is organized by which ministry? Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, donor. Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defense. Answer is Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, donor. Line of Blood is a book written by whom? Bairaj Khanna, Ursula Vernon, Amal El Mohtar, Diksha Basu. Answer is Bairaj Khanna. Garampani Sanctuary is located at Junagadh, Gujarat, Diffu, Assam, Kohima, Nagaland, Gangtok, Sikkim. Answer is Diffu, Assam. For which of the following disciplines in Nobel Prize awarded? Physics and chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace and economics, all of the above. Answer, all of the above. Hitler Party, which came into power in 1933, is known as Labour Party, Nazi Party, Ku Klux Party, Democratic Party. Answer is Nazi Party. FFC stands for Foreign Finance Corporation, Film Finance Corporation, Federation, Football Council, none of the above. Answer is Film Finance Corporation. Fastest shorthand writer was Dr. G.D. Bist, J.R.D. Tata, C.G.M. Tagore, D. Khudada Khan. Answer is Dr. G.D. Bist. Epsom, England is the place associated with horse racing, polo, shooting, snooker. Answer is horse racing. Please like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys to see my video.